everyone, this is Fred Ranger. I hope you're doing good. Today we're doing something a little bit special. We're going outside in our own city. Yes, there's snow everywhere, but I'm sick and tired of sitting down at my computer looking at a screen. So we're going vlog style, and we're gonna be rocking our Fujifilm gear outside. Fujifilm X-T2, I'm gonna bring the 16 to 55. I'm gonna bring the 56 1.2, and I'm also going to bring the long lens, the 50 to 140. And my girlfriend will be rocking the Fujifilm X-T10, and a lens that you guys should know about. It's the 18 to 55 f2.8 to f4. So let's go vlog style. Slight change of plan. I am going to go with the X Pro 2 because I just smashed the X-T2 and I'm very sad, and I don't want to show it now. Maybe we'll take a look at it when we're back from that little photo trip. So thank God I have an X Pro 2, but the X-T2, no bueno. Just shattered the screen in the back, so I guess it'll go back to Fuji for a little repair. So there we are in the old Montreal, in the Griffintown part of the city, and we're about to go shoot close by to the river, which is right there. Yes. It's a very cool part of town where you get the old malls that were there in the 1920s, and I had the luxury actually of going on top of the silo number 5, which was quite an experience. You could actually see the whole city. I'll put some photos right here. And the cool part about Montreal is that it's a big city, but at the same time it is very human scale, so I really entice you to come and visit and go out. I mean, yeah, it is winter, but the cool part is that just pick up your camera, you go out and you go shoot some very cool spots like this one. Okay, so I think I've got a really cool shot right here. I've got the long lens. This is the 50 to 140. This is an iOS or OIS stabilized lens, so this will be really helpful because I'm going to be hand holding that shot. So let's see what we can get with this beautiful scene in the background. I'm at f11, and I'm actually trying some different composition here, trying to get the details of the building right there. I really like the rust that's on the building, so this 50 to 140 is coming really helpful to get that detailed shot that I'm looking for. Let's continue. Still thinking about this X-T2 that I dropped on the floor, but it's not about the gear when you don't drop it on the floor. It's about the moment. So right now, again, really nice composition, beautiful day outside. This is what it's all about: getting outside and shooting and being in the moment. So this is one thing I definitely learned by doing more photography. So I hope that you can share that passion with me. Okay, so that was fun. I got to shoot in a very cool location. It made me forget about the fact that I just shattered my X-T2. Whoa! Okay, made it alive here too. Gear's okay. Girlfriend's okay. All is good. Whoa! This is one thing when you shoot during winter, is that you need winter boots, and these Converse are not winter boots, but I guess it'll do for today. So I see a really nice composition, and we're gonna try to do a sunburst here, and the way to do that is that you are going to go with a high F point or a low opening. So I'm gonna try F11 here, and I'm gonna go like this, and Let's see if we can get that sunburst or that sun star. Let's put it back to 0. Yeah, I think it's going to be pretty good. Bring the exposure composition down a bit. We're at ISO 200 and click. I think we got something, and this is how you do a sun star in your photos. So we're now at Venice Montreal. Very cool place if you want a poke bowl or if you want a juice. Highly recommend this place in Old Montreal. This, oh my god, very, very good tacos and fries here at Venice Montreal. Highly recommend. So we are arriving at the Big Wheel in Old Montreal. I guess it's now famous, and if you want to have a good time, even during winter time, you might want to go in there. Composition here with the wheel. I don't know if you can see, but the wheel and the sun, very nice color, so can't wait to see that in the computer. So she wants to go in the Big Wheel. Why not? Might as well, since we're tourists in our own city. I think we need to buy the tickets first though. Okay, so we got the tickets. Pretty expensive, but okay. I guess it's worth it.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
Fred Ranger, if you want to see yourself on my in my vlog.
I'd love to.
Very happy to meet you. What's your name?
Oliver.
Oliver. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Of course.
Nice. What's your handle?
Olivier Renouf.
Olivier Renouf. Okay. Yeah. I'll put it down below.
Shout out to me.
Cool, man. Follow this guy.
Yeah.
He's cool.
Right there, number 5.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good ride. Watch your head as you go in.
Thank you. Nice. This is very cozy. How cool is that?
So cool.
So met another YouTuber right there. You should follow him. I'll try to get his handle, but let's do this. Okay, so this is a deluxe Big Wheel tour. You can actually adjust the temperature right here in your little cabin. So let's put it at 17.2 Celsius. There you go. And here's the view on one side. Here's the cute girl that you're probably seeing in my videos. And here's the view on the other side. For some reason we're kind of stuck here, so we'll see what happens. So for those who are asking if we are liking winter in Montreal, we do actually, and we go out and we shoot and we skate and we are in a Big Wheel right downtown, and yeah, you should just come and experience it for yourself. Warm coffee after a nice day of shooting outside in my own city in Montreal with the one I love. So you can't really beat that. You don't have to travel miles and miles to take photos just go in your own backyard, just go in your own city. There's so much things that you can photograph and that you can film. For me, it was a, bittersweet day because I also got my Fuji X-T2 broken. And when I say broken, I mean that broken. This is the screen. It's completely shattered, as you can see here. So it will have to go back to Fujifilm for a repair. I'm fortunate enough to be able to have another Fujifilm camera that I can change lens on, and this is the X-T2. So this was my beast of choice today. And Fujifilm, if you are listening to this video, I am in Montreal, Canada. Where should I send this? If you guys know on the feed, please put it down below. I will write an email to the people I know at Fujifilm, but this is the real life. This is the real life of photographers and vloggers. Sometimes you break your gear. It's part of the game. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this video where I share my passion about storytelling in this day and age and the right gear to tell your story. You just need to click that bell notification to be notified every time I put up a video. I'm Fred Ranger, and I wish you to be happy, to enjoy life, and to enjoy your gear. Cheers.